there, crafty pals! Are you ready for a world of paper magic? I'm your guide to endless DIY fun. Let's fold, cut, and create together. From simple sheets to stunning art, join me for crafts that'll blow your mind. Subscribe and let's craft up a storm. Get ready to make magic with paper.